evening.
Good evening, Kong. How are you?
I'm good.
Okay. Are you busy lately?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So, what did you do today?
I
Did you attend your school?
no.
You don't have class?
No.
Okay. All right. So, what was our last lesson, Kong? Do you still remember?
No.
Huh?
No.
All right. You don't remember. All right. We will have a review. So, our last lesson is my favorite movie is. Alright, I asked you before, or I asked you last schedule or last lesson of what is your favorite movie?
Mm,
What is your favorite movie, Kong?
mm, I don't have.
What is your favorite movie?
I don't have favorite movies.
Is
Uh, I
horror?
I don't watch movies.
You answer, my favorite movie is horror. Yeah, that is your answer.
Uh, I don't watch movies.
Yes. Okay. My favorite is
Uh,
movie is what is your favorite movie? Horror, love story,
I I
action.
I watch horror movies.
You want
What?
you want horror
I
movie?
Yes.
Okay. Do you hear me?
Yes.
All right. All right, so we will start our lesson first in what's this? Vocabulary. All right. Okay, Kong. There is letter A here. Are you interested in these things? Okay?
Okay.
I will put check if you are interested. Okay?
Okay.
All right. All right. Kong, are you interested in sports?
Uh, yes.
Are you interested in food?
Mm, Yes.
Are you interested in movies?
Yes.
How about travel?
Yes.
All right. How about in video games?
Yes.
How about in music?
Yes.
Are you interested in books?
No.
Oh, sorry. No. Are you interested in shopping?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So this time you will going to ask and answer questions about interests. Okay?
Okay.
All right. So first, you're going to okay, I will be the one to ask you. Okay, Kong, are you interested in sports?
Yes.
Okay. What is your favorite sports?
My favorite sport is um table tennis.
Okay, table tennis. Oh, I like table tennis too, but I need more practice. Okay, next question. Are you interested in travel?
Travel. Yes.
Okay, where do you want to go?
I want to go Australia.
Wow, good. Why you want to go in Australia?
Because I want to go. I want to visit the opera house.
Oh, you want to go?
Opera house.
Oh, yes. That's nice. All right. Next question. What are you interested in video games?
Yes.
What is your favorite video game?
Uh, Roblox.
What?
Um,
What is your favorite video games?
Roblox.
All right. Next, are you interested in food?
Yes.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is chicken fries.
Okay, your favorite food is fried chicken.
Uh,
Wow, that's nice. Yummy. Okay, thank you for answering. Now let's proceed to conversation, okay?
okay.
All right, in this part, you're going to listen to an audio, okay?
Okay.
Yes, listen, and then right after that, we are going to play, or we are going to do the conversation, okay?
Okay.
Lesson 6. My favorite movie is page 14. Conversation. A. Listen. What is Dan's favorite movie? Who is Beth's favorite actress?
Johnny Depp has a new movie out.
He's my favorite actor. Who's your favorite actor?
I don't really have one, but my favorite actress is Reese Witherspoon. Who's yours?
My favorite is Gong Li.
What's your favorite movie?
That's a hard question. I like a lot of movies.
I'm crazy about The Sound of Music.
Are you serious? That's an old movie.
Yes, but it's great.
All right, so did you listen well?
Yes.
Okay, so this time we are going to act. What do you want to be, your Dan or Beth?
Then
Okay, you will be Dan. All right, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. Okay, read first the Dan. Johnny,
Johnny Depp has a new movie out.
he's my favorite actor. Who's your favorite actor?
I don't really have one, but my favorite actress is Reese Witherspoon. Who's yours?
My favorite is Gong Li.
What's your favorite movie?
That's a hard question. I like a lot of movies.
I'm crazy about the sound music.
Are you serious? That's an old movie.
Yes, but it's great.
Okay, all right. So, what do you understand in the conversation, Kong? What do you understand? They have. Okay, how about Beth? Who is her favorite actress?
Best favorite actress is
Beth.
Gong.
Okay, Gong Li. How about Dan?
Dan is Reese Witherspoon.
Okay, very good. All right, so is Beth has a favorite movie?
Best yes, but
Okay, but she has a lot of
a
favorite
lot of
movies.
favorite movies.
Okay, how about Dan? Did he have a favorite movie also?
And yes, his favorite movie is The Sound Music.
Okay, The Sound of Music, which is this picture. Okay, can you see the picture here?
Yes.
Okay, so that is the picture of, okay, The Sound of Music movie. All right, so I hope you understand the conversation. Do you have any question?
No.
Okay, if you don't have any question here, then let's proceed below, okay?
Okay.
All right, CD 16. Listen, write the changes you hear above the bold words. Practice the new conversation. But we done already, okay?
Okay.
All right, so we are now in language booster. Notice the different ways we ask about favorites and return questions, okay?
Okay. Teacher, wait me for a minute.
Okay. All right.
And go back.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so there are different ways that we ask about our favorites, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Yes, so I will be the one to read this asking about favorites and you are going to respond.
Okay.
All right? Who's your favorite actor? Kong.
My favorite actor is actor.
Think your favorite actor.
Actor Michael Jackson.
Okay. And then you are going to ask me.
How about you?
Okay, my favorite actor is Lee Min Ho. Do you know? Do you know Lee Min Ho?
Yes.
Korean actor. Okay, next. What is your favorite movie?
I'm crazy about horror. What's yours?
Okay, what?
What about you?
I like adventure movie. Adventure.
Okay.
Yes. Next, do you like? Okay, I will ask you. Do you like any bonds in particular?
No, I don't.
Okay. Then you're going to ask me.
Who's your favorite actor?
That is no. We're done already. My favorite actor is Lee Min Ho. Okay. Next is pronunciation. Contrastive stress in returning questions. Okay? So we are going to listen to an audio. Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Page 15. Pronunciation. A. Listen. Notice the stress in the returning questions. 1,
I'm fine. How about you?
2,
I like it. What about you?
3,
Hip hop is my favorite. What's yours?
4,
Rihanna is my favorite. Who's yours?
Okay. So we are done listening to the pronunciation. Okay?
Okay.
Notice, all right, notice the stress in the returning questions. All right, in number 1, can you please read?
I'm fine. How about you?
All right, so where is the stress there?
You?
Okay, very good. How about number 2?
I liked. What about you? You?
Okay, number 3, Bob.
Pop is my favorite. What's yours?
Okay, where
Yours.
is the stress?
Yours.
Okay, but the correct answer is what's yours? Okay, so what is the correct answer? All right, number 4, Rihanna.
Rihanna is my favorite. Who's yours?
Okay, where
Who's
is the stress? Okay, very good. Okay, you've got a 3 over 4. That's nice. Very good, Kong. Okay, practice this conversation. Pay attention to contrastive stress. Okay, letter A. Who's your favorite actress?
mm,
Okay. What's the
I
answer?
love
I
no.
love.
I love Natalie Portman. How about you?
All right, so where is the stress in letter A?
Who's
Okay, there are 2.
who's and
Who's
you
in? All right,
you
who's your favorite actress? So this is the second word. Okay, number 2, I love Natalie Portman. So where is the stress in that sentence?
Portman
What?
Portman.
Natalie. I love Natalie. Okay, so this is the stress, the Natalie Portman. How about you? This word, sentence.
You.
Okay, you. All right, letter B. Can you please read?
Do you like to watch TV shows?
Okay, where is the stress there?
Um,
Do you like to watch TV shows?
watch.
All right, very good. Okay, and letter A. Yes, my favorite show is 30 Rock. What's yours?
What's what's
Yes, my favorite show is 30 Rock. What's yours?
what's
Where is the stress in this sentence?
um my favorite
What?
favorite
Okay, your answer is favorite? Yes, my favorite show. Okay, very good. How about in this sentence?
what's yours? Yours. What's
What's yours?
what?
What? Okay, very good. All right, next. Speak with confidence. Ask your classmates about their favorites. Write down their answers.
Okay.
Okay, so you can have like this. What's your favorite food?
My friend.
So you will ask me. I will be the one to answer for you. Okay?
Okay. What's your favorite food?
Favorite food is
It's
pizza.
uh-huh. What's your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is
What's your celebrity?
my favorite celebrity is Filipino actress. She is Maricel Soriano. She is a Filipino actress.
Okay. What's your favorite TV shows?
Favorite TV show is Showtime.
Okay.
Next,
What's your restaurant?
my favorite restaurant is Ang Inasal. This is in the Philippines.
Okay.
Yes.
What's your favorite day of the week?
My favorite day of the week is Sunday because I love preaching, I love praying to God, visiting church. Okay. How about you? I will ask random, okay? What is your favorite day of the week?
My favorite of the week is Sunday because I don't have class.
Okay, so what will you do on Sunday?
I play games, watch TV, and
Okay,
I
do you have Facebook, Instagram, Messenger?
I have books,
Oh,
but I don't serve it.
okay. All right, so what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is my favorite food is
What's your favorite food?
my favorite food is spaghetti.
Oh. All right, what is your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV shows is um I don't have favorite TV shows.
Okay, what is your favorite TV show in Vietnam?
VTV.
What show mostly you watch while you're free?
I don't watch.
Okay, next restaurant. What is your favorite restaurant?
My favorite restaurant is KFC.
Okay. Do you have a favorite celebrity?
No.
Okay, all right. So I hope you enjoy speaking with confidence with Teacher Juna, okay?
Okay.
All right. So next is we are going to learn what time is it, okay?
Okay.
All right. All right. So what time is it? Wait for a minute. All right. So we are going to know the asking about time and telling time, okay?
Okay.
All right. So I will ask you, what is the time now?
My time.
Yes.
My time is nine 9:55.
All right. So we will continue our lesson next time, okay?
Okay.
All right. So this will be the end of our lesson call. Thank you for listening and see you again next time. Bye bye.
Have a
Good
good
night.
night.